dear children, welcome to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jinisha, your EVS teacher. Hope you all are fine. Have you gone through previous day's topic? We studied about the formation of sedimentary rocks and also about the fossils. What are fossils? Fossils are the preserved materials or impressions of the remains of dead animals like their shells or bones in the sedimentary rocks, and these fossils are used to study about the living organisms that have been lived on earth millions of years ago. So today let's discuss about the types of sedimentary rocks. We studied about the formation of sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed from older rocks that have been broken down into simple or small rock pieces. These rock pieces are carried away by wind and rain and reaches the rivers, lakes and seas. There they settle at the bottom, forming layers called sediments. Due to the weight of the upper layers, the lower layer hardens to form rocks, and such rocks are called as sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary rocks are of four types. They are sandstone, limestone, shale and conglomerate. So there are four main types of sedimentary rocks. They are sandstone, limestone, shale and conglomerate. So first let us discuss about sandstone. Sandstone, from the name itself we can understand it is formed from sand. It is formed when the sand grains are compressed and cemented together. It consists of a mineral called quartz and it is used in construction. Sandstone is formed from sand grains. When the sand grains are cemented together, it forms the sandstone. It consists of a mineral called quartz and it is used in construction. The second type of sedimentary rock is limestone. Limestone consists of a mineral called calcite. Calcite is formed from the shells and skeleton of tiny sea animals. The shells and skeleton of these animals settle at the bottom and form limestone. Chalk is a type of limestone. Limestone is used to make cement and bricks. There are many limestone cliffs. See this picture. Cliffs are high areas of rocks, especially on the edges of sea. So limestone is a type of sedimentary rock. It consists of a mineral called calcite. Calcite is formed from the shells and skeleton of tiny sea animals. When the shells and skeleton of these tiny sea animals settle at the bottom of the sea, it forms limestone. Chalk is a type of limestone. Limestone is used to make cement and bricks. Now the third type of sedimentary rock is shale. Shale is formed when the layers of clay and silt hardens. It is very smooth. It is also used to make cement tiles and bricks. So shale is formed when the layers of clay and silt hardens. It is smooth and used to make cement tiles and bricks. The fourth type of sedimentary rock is conglomerate. Conglomerate. It looks like pebbles cemented together with minerals. What are pebbles? Pebbles are small round stones. So conglomerate looks like pebbles cemented together with minerals. It is formed when the lower layer of sediment consists of pebbles and sand. So the four types of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, limestone, shale and conglomerate. Sandstone is formed when the sand grains are compressed and cemented together. Limestone is formed from the shells and skeleton of tiny sea animals. Shale is formed when layers of clay and silt hardens, and conglomerate is formed when the lower layers of sediment consist of pebbles and sand. So today we have discussed about the types of sedimentary rocks. Hope you all have understood the topic. You read textbook page number 11. From the notebook, study question number 7 from fill in the blanks and question number 3 and 4 from name the following. There is a test paper attached along with this. Do the test and submit it. So let's meet in the next class. Thank you.